ki khubor ka bate si TV rakhe ka Frank Yamaha khatn reus nem ya ga jing shakri ga jongka baden ais ngo bha sha baro kinong the thuk thuk ringkat ka kabuk Ksiar ban long kinong job ya santali gi laptop kani ka offer kan kot ha ka live hoteri unai lur 8000 pusau
Ka Nongtalang Government Secondary School haga arpun riu tarik unailur arajar arpusau kala Plie perdaban rakhi ya ke Jubili Ksiar haga bau MLA jongga Amlarem constituency uba lakmen rumbui ulalong gumukongsan bat ulapan her ya kalama. Kani kalalong harangkat ke Jingidon lang jongga District School Education Officer ka West Giant Hills District ka kong Almo Peace AM UMDC katany uba Holando Lamin ki wahe chnong ki secretary chnong ki nong hikai ki hinna school bat ki kime ki kpa kumban supentip hang ni kani ka Jingrakhe jong school ya jingdap san post nem on sapan ha perda hau benai no pra
of September 2024 I Shri Lakman Rumboy do declare that the Golden Jubilee celebration of Nongtalang Government Secondary School is open today. Thank you.
The hard work, the dedication, the perseverance of our forefathers, if I may say so, in bringing the Nongtalang Government Secondary School as it is today. It is because of their clear vision, because of their mission, and because of their interest in uplifting the field of education in this part of our state, that the Nongtalang Government Secondary School is as it is today. So a huge appreciation and gratitude goes to the elders of this community, of this village, who have foreseen the importance of education to set up an educational institution in this part in order to impart quality education to the people of this village and the nearby villages. To move forward and to do better than what we have done earlier. So I hope that this Jubilee celebration will put into the minds and the hearts of the teachers, the students, the parents, the village members, and all a development in the field of education. As we have heard when the history of the school was read, the students of this school, all the past pupils of this school, they have shined in various fields of their lives. This school has produced many people who have held or hold important posts, and they have given their talents, their work.
We have to move from rote learning to more holistic approach that emphasizes on critical thinking, collaboration, and problem solving. This is a very important in nowadays education we have, because gone are the days when the teachers teach, give us lesson, we try to remember and try to reproduce it at the time of exam to score or mark. Now we have to have a critical thinking. We have a collaborative mindset and also the problem solving. This change requires us students nowadays require new skill set, particularly in the field of artificial intelligence. You all students, you are experienced how the power of artificial intelligence, it empower you in your day-to-day activities, whether mobile, electronic, or anything, so on and so forth. That's why it is needed robotic learning. We have seen how science transforms our life. And more importantly, entrepreneurship. Government have time and again emphasize the need of entrepreneurship. The government cannot provide job to each and everybody. It is just impossible. So entrepreneurship will help you, will help the society to grow more. Number 3, schools should engage students with a real life problem or real life happening. You teachers have a very important role to play. It's not only to teach in the classroom, but you have also to teach how the students should practice those you are teaching in the classroom in this real life world. That's why come critical thinking, problem solving. So you need to do, the school need to do. From the government, we have seen, I'm very glad that the education fund is now trying, is doing. Our textbook, our curriculum should be aligned with the day-to-day world, so that the students could apply what they learn into the real world. Number 4, government of Plie has promoted STEM education. It is very important. I'm very glad the director has launched, emphasized last week, if I remember correctly. It is very important. The school should have a learning club. We have seen library here in Nongtalang Government Secondary School. This is a library. But how many people are going to library? Nongtalang Government School, I urge you, the teachers, form the learning club among the students so that they could interact among themselves, sharing of ideas, sharing of a mind, so that they will solve the problem amongst themselves. More importantly, create things for their own benefit. The school should establish, lead the way to establish a coding club. It's very important now everywhere. We have seen code is very, very important. Before we know only pin code, but now everywhere in library or anything, try to establish so that it will help the student. Ngakan to ya pi ki wei pe wei ki kna school. Ba pin long ki kna ki ba nang ban je. Ya ki e ki ba pin shim. Ba pinang ba de ba pinang ban bread. Ya ki e ki ba unde. Ngala kren management ang tak artificial intelligence. Ki bon ke ba ma pen mentoy ba ki donro ki ba wanra ya ka jing snew. Dem takadaw long ikna tiba nang tan man pule nang ban prakhat critical thinking tang ban pule nang ban pusan. It is very, very important. Pide ban pusan yak pule hato kihikai ni nakabanta ka germination of seeds kadai na kamde practice pila banyo ya kita ke sa kaway ka bang akwa kumaong mene kambesyo ka basok banyo kam sarka haray ki kam ki belai Ladang idon kata kasap, ka skills. Hamne high school, kaladon ka vocational training, nakamta artily, lightly kitret ngam kemau. What ship ketu kadai tang papins yo score marks learn, and who knows, you will teach others. Then takada, kabakam san galong ba. Day shoot bangin lay sa school ngipule ya ka bahikay babu bupi lanlandat hayim anda puak exam shoot tho tang ya katu ka ba ngi ihikay bat ndray pandan kam ya ka ek pule den takadaw hak na po life is very tough. You have to face so many hardships in studying. But those hardships, those difficulties will empower you, will make you the one who can challenge the world. I'm sure, I wish the student of Nongtalang Government Secondary School commit themselves that I will be someone. I will stand on my own feet. I can transfer my skills to the other. I can educate the other. And I will be a good human being, more importantly, the one who is as an asset to society. Keep up anything, any thought, any mind for all this substance abuse, for all this drug or other substance abuse. Don't ever let that thought, that mind infiltrate into your mindset, but prepare yourself to face that. Come what may, I will be an asset to the society. With these few words, I wish the Nongtalang Government Secondary School family the best, and more importantly, that this celebration, which culminating on the 13th of December, where our Honorable Chief Minister will be here today, that will be a very fruitful celebration. More importantly, as I told you, let this celebration, my dear teacher, take the student to learn the life problem, how to solve the problem, how to engage themselves with companies, how to engage themselves with entrepreneurship, so that it will become more fruitful.